Hello, Lola. Hello, Roisin. It's lovely to see you both. What are you up to?
We're a bit bored, to be honest. It's raining here.
Yeah, it's raining here too.
Wish the sun would come out.
That's exactly what I was thinking, Lola, when I wrote this song.
I don't want the clouds to form. I don't want the rain to fall. All I want is some sunshine to make me smile. Some sunshine to make me laugh. Some sunshine to make the day special. And then I'll be a happy, happy boy. I don't want the wind to blow. The radio says it's going to snow. All I want is some sunshine to make me smile. Some sunshine to make me laugh. Some sunshine to make the day special. And then I'll be a happy, happy boy. I don't want the thunder crack, especially when I'm having a nap. All I want is some sunshine to make me smile. Some sunshine to make me laugh. Some sunshine to make the day special. And then I'll be a happy, happy boy. And then I'll be a happy, happy boy.
Now, what would you two be up to if it wasn't raining?
I'd be out playing football with my friends. We have a big match next week. I'm going to be in goal.
And I'd go to the beach with my cousins. We'd build sandcastles and dig tunnels all the way down to the sea. What would you do, Tallulah?
I know exactly what I'd do. I'd fly my new kite. I'd go up to the mountains and I'd fly it there.
Yeah. Now, you'd need some wind.
Well, that's true, but I like the wind. What would you do, Simon?
I think I would have a picnic in the garden outside of this lighthouse, and I'd watch all the ships go past.
Well, we could have a picnic right here.
Could we?
Of course we can. Look, there's a cloth.
Now, what would you two normally have to eat if you were having a picnic?
Banana sandwiches, cheese sandwiches, any sandwiches.
Oh, lemonade. My dad makes the best lemonade, and we put it in a flask so it stays cold. I'd bring lemonade.
Lemonade, sandwiches?
Now, you're right about the sandwiches, Roisin. You've got to have sandwiches if you're having a picnic by the sea.
Even though you end up eating sand.
Now, anything else?
Well, I always bring cupcakes.
An apple. I love apples, especially when I'm thirsty.
Now, this looks like a proper picnic. Come on, let's eat.